So we are down here on the waterfront to Little Rock right now. Got a cute little park down here. We got a place that we like to go eat down here called Diablos Tacos. So that's where we're headed. Say hi, baby.
Hi, baby.
Little art sections around here. There's a little water park down there for the kids. The slides, the statues, and history stuff all along this trail. And then it's right here.
Ya, espera, déjame verlo.
Nom nom nom.
Oh, nice. Okay, thank you.
Oh yes, such a big selection. Anybody who loves mezcal, huge collection. Oh, yeah. And they got a wine section. Mezcal.
Pensamientos me van.
Oh my god.
You done?
Diet is.
Diet is done. Is that alcohol?
What? What?
How's that alcohol? What's that alcohol, babe? No? No? You can't do it? You can't do it? You can't do it? You're releasing it? You're releasing it? How you doing over there? You only had one.
My face.
You ain't even really touched that one.
It's already numb. Like all this is numb.
So we get done, and I'm like, hey, let's go to the bridge. Let's take a walk.
He's trying to kill me.
Somebody's 2 margaritas might have gone to the head.
No. I'm so full.
Her 2
That's
margaritas
all.
might have gone to her head.
No.
I'm just saying. All right. We're going to let y'all know how this, you know what? Y'all can just come on this walk with us. Let me flip this around here.
I might
Maybe
get
the
run
parks.
over from this space.
Oh, look at this.
I'm super full.
Cute little walkway through here.
Oh my goodness.
It's cute. The vine coverings is nice.
People like Russ. They'll be so disappointed.
Yeah. Yeah, you know. But it's okay, because you know, he can't say anything about what we just ate, considering he just ate those ginormous pancakes the other day. I'm just saying.
It's okay.
And this is a nice little area over there.
When I get
See
back,
under those
when I get back home, I
canopies over that way, they do like a farmer's market on Saturdays. Last time we were here on our trip, area over there where it says Little Rock.
Yes.
He gonna run over you.
You realize I'm recording, right?
No.
And our lovely viewers are getting to listen to all your little ramblings, right?
I say, be careful, he's gonna run over you.
And they saw the person that was coming at us, and you pulled me over.
I pull you. People
Look at this cute little amphitheater. Look. Look at this. There's a little... This is so going on this reel. There is no blooper reel, okay?
Yes.
There's no blooper reel. This is all going in the same video together. Every last bit of it. Look at this. Let me just pause right here. Look at that. You got an elevator. There's an elevator actually on both sides. And actually, by the time you all see this, you all should have seen a quick little snippet video of this area from our previous trip. And if you have not seen that and you are seeing this, by all means, go back and watch it, because there's going to be some stuff on that video that is not going to be on this one. You see the little park and everything. That's a beautiful view.
Right.
And we're not even all the way up top yet.
Right.
Tell
You're
you
not gonna
what,
make me walk all the way to
you
over
do
there,
not want to get caught in that current down there.
right?
Man, look at the power behind it.
You're not gonna make me walk.
I'm not gonna what, baby?
You're not gonna make me walk over there.
Oh yeah, we're walking. Oh yeah, we walking. Just to give you a little idea as to just how strong this current is that's running through right now, I'll show y'all something that it's actually running up against. Yeah. It's running up against there. Look at that. That current. Man. Woo.
You can't do that.
Can't do what? Sudden movements?
Because I'm already like...
Ah.
And down.
Crick and cracks and pops and beeps and buzzes and everything
It's
else.
not my fault.
I did it.
It is cool. It sounds like the elevators
Oof.
at UAMS.
All right, so we can get the switch around for this view coming out.
We go up and down.
You see, if you can walk across the way. There's another elevator on the other end.
By the time we cross the bridge, I'm gonna be empty again.
Come on, baby.
We go up and down, up and down, up and down.
See, I told you I wasn't the only silly one in the bunch. Just some people need some motivation, you know? There's nothing wrong with needing a little motivation. Oh, they've started doing the, let me stop right here to show you all. I'm not sure what their local reasons for doing the locks are, but I know a lot of people, well, a lot of people
That's a
in a
loft
lot of
thingy.
places. Yeah, let's say a lot of these in a lot of places. Now, that's a lot of locks together right there. I wonder if that's a whole family.
Right, probably. Baby. Sit down.
So somebody here,
Huh?
when they drink so much, or, well, it's really not that much for her. Well, for her it's a lot, for some of us it's not so much. Says she gets a tingly nose
My nose is numb.
I was just gonna walk down to right here.
Okay.
Wasn't gonna go all the way across the bridge. She's dying like I'm killing her. Like, really, I'm not killing anybody.
You killed me.
How am I killing you?
I ate.
I ate too.
I ate too much.
Matter of fact, I ate more of my food than you ate your food.
Anyway.
Just saying.
Food was so nice.
It was.
So good.
It was.
And the place, I love the place because they got this music, salsa, bachata, and reggaeton, and all the music that I like. And oh my God, I have a blast in that place. Oh, I look amazing.
Well, duh. She says that like that's a surprise. I mean, why else do you think I married you?
Because I'm double amazing.
And there's the rest of the bridge. This is the end of the high point, because this is the only part that would lift up and allow for the boats and stuff to go under. So we're gonna actually end this right here. Good night, dreamers.
Night, dreamers.
We said we was done, but then we saw this on the way off the bridge. So they did their love locks using a heart lock with a special skeleton key. Easy, don't just grab mine.
Yeah. Travis and Kate.
Oops. Apparently got busted because somebody else has a name like mine. This is kind of awkward. She took off walking like that because of that. Awkward point is, I was with her on Valentine's Day, so that can't be mine. Somebody has stolen my name. I might have lied when I said we were out, but this little statue is called Shelter Stack. Can you see why? Comment below if you know why. Yeah, so this whole area is full of... Oops. What you got? Historical information. It's a cool little thing. Hmm? No, you're not.
You see, this is the thing. Love is life.
Love is life?
What says over there? This is love is life.
It's awesome. That is one
I like that.
solid piece of truth. Nice.
Amor es vida. I like it.
Playgrounds in everywhere.
They fuck with our lives.
There's a playground pit down there. I would show you, but there's a whole bunch of kids down in there, so
And then a sign
can't
that
really
says
show you anything
calories.
close.
What in the world? In a park?
Now, okay, I'm going to show y'all this statue, and this just looks very inappropriate to be by a playground. Maybe it's just me and my twisted mind, but what about you?
Naughty.
So, not sure how y'all felt about that. Well, I went to Baby Husky.
I want the baby husky.
Right? No, not today, thank you. Oh, good puppy.
I'm saying, oh, in the park?
Shoo.
In the park, there was
Shoo.
a sign that says calories. Who likes the calories? Nobody likes calories. Why
No.
do you have to put a sign in the park?
They put a sign in the park for you to exercise those calories.
I just ate a lot. And then they remind me that I ate a lot of calories. Oh my goodness. I hate this park.
Why we gotta hate the park? It's just reminding you to be healthy.
No. With the
Right?
Mexican place on front of the park. For real. Bro.
So down around here in this park, you'll just find the scooters everywhere. You can rent them. They've got an app for it. And you just scan the little QR codes and stuff and rent away.
He didn't want me to rent one.
No, because we need to walk off dinner.
Oh my goodness.
All right.
He's been a gentleman. He's gonna open the door for me for the first time in forever.
First time in forever. Hi. Anyway. All right, so dreamers, we're gonna stop this for now. And we will see you all here in a little bit.